Ayan guys, this is somewhere in the old city of Jordan. Yani, it's part of, we called close to the old city. I mean, Muhajirin. Aywa. And that area, that is we call Jabal Amman. Jabal means a mountain. Ayan guys, Jabal Amman. This building on top there. Yan. And that building too is in called uh, somewhere in Muhajirin. This is close to the old city of Amman, Jordan. Yan guys. Ayan. And by the way, it's summertime. That's why it's cool.